Hello everyone, this is Jerome from Civil Center. Welcome back to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And following the same vision, we are making a number of YouTube videos on various softwares. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then hit the red button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to join our live online classes, then you can find the details in the description box. Now, let's come back to this video. So what we are going to learn today? In today's video, we will learn how to split the structural members. But before starting that, let's understand why do we need to split the members. Suppose you were modeling, and while modeling you have modeled a column from the bottom to top of the floor. Now for each floor you have the same column, but you need to provide different reinforcement in the column in different floors. Then you can't use any particular app in Tekla structures. For that, you need to split that column in different parts so that you can provide different reinforcements at different floors. Now let's learn how you can do that. So let's go to the software. So if you are our regular viewer, then you must be well familiar with the interface of Tekla structures. Now, for our convenience and to save our time, I have already made the model. You can see I have constructed a column from the bottom to the top of the model, and this column is a single column. If you will use any app to provide the reinforcement in this column, then it will provide the reinforcement all over in the same way. But what actually happens in the ground? In the ground, you have to provide different reinforcements at different floors. So we need to split the columns. So let's see how you can split this column. So this is a very simple process. All you need to do is to go to concrete and then choose for split. Now you have to select your member. I have to split this column, so I am selecting this, and then select a point from where you want to split this column. So you can see this has already been splitted. I will repeat it again. Choose split, then select the member, then select the point from where you want to split that member, and your member will split. Now you can provide different reinforcement in different portions of this member. So that was all for today. If you want to join our live classes, you can find the details in the description box, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.